The IFB washing machine U5ER error code typically indicates a problem with the motor or motor control unit, and is part of the machine's diagnostic system designed to alert users to potential issues that may affect performance. Common causes of this code include motor malfunction, where the motor's internal components or electrical connections may be faulty, and wiring problems, such as faulty or damaged wiring connections between the motor and the control unit, which can disrupt the flow of electrical signals. To fix the U5ER error code, it is necessary to inspect the motor for malfunction by following a series of steps. First, ensure the washing machine is completely turned off. Then remove the power cable from the power source. Next, inspect the washing machine drum and surrounding areas for any objects that may be obstructing the motor's movement, and clear out any obstructions found. If the problem still exists, inspect the motor connections by carefully examining the wiring connections to the motor, observing for any loose, damaged, or corroded wires, and tightening or replacing them as necessary. Examining the wiring connections is also crucial, and involves turning off the power and unplugging the washing machine, removing the back panel or other access panels to reach the wiring connections, and conducting a visual inspection of the wiring harness and connections. Look for signs of damage, such as frayed wires, burnt insulation, or loose connections, and pay close attention to areas where wires may be pinched or stressed. Repair or replace any damaged wires, making all wiring connections secure and proper, and tighten any loose connections using a screwdriver. By following these steps, the U5ER error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can be restored to proper functioning.